magic forest. These days start in a very usual way, but who knows? Maybe Bagel and Brush will find something interesting to do.
Well... Hooray! My unicorn came to the shadowy forest first again. I win! I win! How do we get to the shadowy forest? Let's play again. I'm bored. Hey, how about we play unicorns in the shadowy forest? Shadowy forest? Good idea! But you don't look like a unicorn, Bagel. Wait a minute. Well, here we go. One second. Ta-da! Cool. But how do we get to the forest, though? Yeah, they won't let us go alone. But we'll try.
We're doggies, we're family, and we love to play with Grandma and Grandpa. Come on, sing it, hey! Bow wow wow, sing it now. We have jolly good time. Bow wow wow, bow wow wow, sing it now. We have jolly good time. Bow wow wow.
Daddy, are you busy now?
Yes, quite a bit. Did anybody see my book on robotics? No?
No. Dad, can we go to the forest?
Forest? Today? Ah, there it is, finally.
Huh?
I can make Robbie move his hands, as if he's real.
Daddy's busy. Maybe Mom can drive us. Let's go find her.
Sun is shining bright, day bright today.
Mommy, can we go to the forest today? Let's take a picnic, please.
Forest. Oh, I would love to go, dears, but I can't. I have to prepare. We have a great performance at the theater tomorrow.
But we want to play unicorns in the shadowy forest. Yes. We don't want to sit at home all day. It is summer.
You don't have to. Look around. Imagine that's a shadowy forest. There's Magic Tower. And the charmed river. And other beautiful magical things.
That's right. The shadowy forest is right here. Let's play. Oh.
Shining. Aw.
Can you believe this? It's like he's real.
Cool.
Brush!
Bagel.
I'm the greatest tremboodle of all the unicorns in this forest. Whoa!
Oh.
Bagel, get down here this instant.
Dad, this isn't Bagel. It's Tremboodle. We play unicorns. You win. Don't worry, my dear. One day you'll get atop of the magic tower.
You scared us so much.
Bagel. You kids can play. But just be careful.
Sorry, Mom, but this game is so cool. We'll be careful, promise.
What's this game you play?
The best game ever. We have a shadowy forest here, and we are unicorns. I'm the best, the strongest unicorn of all. And I'm the prettiest unicorn of all.
Would unicorns like some snacks?
Sure. Only unicorns eat outside.
Don't worry, unicorns. Let's make a wondrous picnic in the shadowy forest.
Hooray! Woof, woof, hey!
Lovely day.
Woohoo!
And This how Bagel and Brush learn to use their imagination to travel to distant magical lands and kingdoms. At midnight, when everyone was asleep, little Bagel woke up and saw something really scary.
Ah! Oh, Mommy! Tassel! Please, wake up! What? I don't wanna. Tassel! I saw a monster! What? Right there! Oh! Did you see it? Uh-huh. It's spooky. What are we gonna do? I don't know. I guess we should ask Mommy. Or Daddy. But how do we get out? Oh, no. Maybe we can sneak out real fast and it won't see us. Uh-huh.
We're doggies, we're family, and we love to play with Grandma and Grandpa. Come on, sing it, hey! Bow wow wow, sing it now. We have jolly good time. Bow wow wow, bow wow wow, sing it now. We have jolly good time. Bow wow wow.
Mommy! Wake up, please! Wake up, everybody! There's a monster in our room!
Easy, kids.
He's
What's
really
the rush?
scary.
What happened, puppies?
Monster! Scary! He was looking right at me from the wall. He's gonna eat us!
A monster, you say? Well, let's have a look at it, shall we? So, where's that spooky-looking monster?
Right there. Whoops! It's gone. But it was here.
Well, looks like it's gone. You can go back to bed now, kids. Mwah. Mwah.
And what if it'll come back?
You can come and tell us.
Ah, it's here!
Oh,
Ah, so this is your monster, eh?
don't worry, kids. It's only shadows.
Shadows?
Remember the big old tree, kids? The one by the house.
Uh-huh.
Well, it's just the tree's branch shadow, so don't be scared.
Are you sure, Mommy?
Tussle, can we take one of your bows?
Yes. You can go to Pardon later.
Hang on, kids, and don't be scared. Mommy will look after you while I'm gone.
You don't have to be afraid of shadows. Sometimes they look scary, but they won't do any harm.
Are you sure? I'm not sure about that.
All taken care of. The big old monster won't bother you anymore, puppies.
Oh, wow!
Would you look at this? Our spooky monster turned into a beautiful butterfly.
That's so great!
Wanna see something cool, kids? Looky here. It's a bird. And guess for this.
Oh, I know! It's a rabbit!
That's right.
Oh, may I try? Oh, this is me!
Nice job, guys. All right, that's enough. Time to go back to sleep. Good night. Mwah. Mwah.
Woof, woof, hey.
Night, night, Dad.
That night, Hegel and Chester had a good sound sleep. They weren't afraid anymore, because now they know that monsters don't